Hi guys, today I'm cooking fried chicken and I'm mixing in my hand
Mixing with my and then
and then I
what's
I
that? The
cook
red
it.
one?
I cook it.
No, that's one that is crispy fry.
Ay.
So, ayun po guys, mga lalabs, tingnan nyo si Zach. Diba?
Ano po ako nag-cook po ako ng special tapos ng fried chicken
Then now you are starting to put it to the pan. And then, it's hard to get it. Oops. Ready? Okay. Are you happy while you're doing that? Huh? Are you happy? You're not happy?
I'm happy.
Oh, that's right. Then now you're going to put it all inside. It's just only the one who requests to cook that one. And then, what are you doing there? Huh?
I'm waiting.
You're waiting. While you're waiting, what are you doing while you're waiting?
I-
Maybe you... What's that? Let me see.
I'm dancing.
You dancing while you're waiting that one? Oh, let me see if you dance. Where is the video if you dance? Then now, Mommy help to Kaki because
I'm a big boy.
you're a big boy na.
Mommy's wrong si Mommy.
Thank you. Then what's that one?
I ketchup with a cook.
Why you
But
cook it?
no more cooking.
What's that
Please.
one?
No cooking.
Gusto po niya medyo hot po yung kanyang sausawan.
Cause no.
Don't make a noise because I'm recording. And then, while Kaki's waiting for that sauce, the chicken getting
Is fried.
fried na. A little bit na lang. Then, Kaki excited to eat it. Ayan na po. Almost done na po ang chicken ni Zach. And then, look at him. Oh, diba?
I'm cooking it. Ketchup.
You mix it. Oh, and then,
And
after that, you get your plate. Why are you preparing for that plate? What you're going to do?
Because I'm a big boy.
Yeah, I know you're a big boy. What you're going to do there?
Because
What you're going to do there?
a girl.
You're going to eat na?
Yeah.
Wow, I think that's yummy. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, did you taste it?
No.
Have you tried to burn your hand?
No.
No, because you're careful, diba? So, ayan na po. Kaki's already prepared it. So, Kaki will start to eat na. Ayan. What are you doing there? Wash your hand, then started to eat. Dip. And then, oops. Coming. Yummy. So, thank you guys that you're watching my son's video.
Thank you, guys.
I love you guys.
Thank you.
See you for the next.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you.
Like,
Thank you.
heart muna, heart and share.